The person sued in a lawsuit or complaint is called the defendant. The person who filed the complaint against you is called the plaintiff. This video is intended to help defendants use the pro se court and offers guidance on filing your appearance and defending yourself in a lawsuit. To participate in the lawsuit as a defendant, you need to file your appearance with the clerk's office. The appearance form asks for basic information about you and the lawsuit. You can use the court papers you received, called the complaint, to help you fill out your appearance form. You can get an appearance form at the Pro Se Court help desk or from the clerk's office. Filing your appearance with the clerk's office is an important step. You must file your appearance by a certain date, called the return date. The return date is listed on the complaint and on the summons. You must file your appearance form with the clerk's office before the return date for your case. If you do not file an appearance by the return date, you risk losing the case and the judge entering a judgment against you. The clerk's office charges a fee to file an appearance in a case. You can contact the clerk's office to find out how much the current charge is for filing an appearance. You must pay the filing fee at the time you file your appearance with the clerk's office. If you cannot afford to pay the filing fee, you can ask the court to allow you to file your appearance for free. You will need to fill out a form called an application and affidavit to sue or defend as an indigent person. The application asks questions about your income and what you own. Your application must be reviewed by a judge and, if approved, the judge will order that you are not required to pay any fees. You need to go through this process before you file your appearance. Otherwise, you will be expected to pay the filing fee to the clerk's office when you file your appearance. You can learn more about how to file your court papers for free on this website. The only court form you are required to file as a defendant in the pro se court is an appearance. You are not required to file a written response or answer to the plaintiff's complaint. At your court date, you will have a chance to tell the judge your side of the story. If you believe the plaintiff owes you money, you can file a lawsuit against them called a counterclaim. In your counterclaim, you should give the date and facts about why the plaintiff owes you money, as well as the amount of money you want paid to you. Remember, in order to use the pro se court, you will need to limit your damages to $1,500 or less. If you want to file a counterclaim, you can ask the clerk's office or the pro se court help desk for the court form. As a defendant in the lawsuit, you have the option of hiring a lawyer to help you, or you can decide to represent yourself in court. Keep in mind that hiring a lawyer may be expensive and an additional cost for you to pay. If you want to talk with a lawyer, you may go to the Helpful Organization search at the bottom of this page. You should attend the trial date listed on the complaint. On the trial date, the judge will decide who wins the case, so it is very important that you go to court. If you do not come to court as required, the judge may enter a default judgment against you. A default judgment means that the judge decides in favor of the plaintiff because you failed to take any action to defend yourself. In other words, the plaintiff automatically wins their case against you, and the judge will enter a judgment requiring you to pay any money damages claimed by the plaintiff. If you need help filling out your court papers, you can visit the Pro Se Court Help Desk. The Pro Se Court Help Desk can answer basic questions about how to fill out your court papers. The Help Desk, however, is not staffed by lawyers and cannot give you legal advice. We hope this video helped you better understand the Pro Se Court at the Daley Center in Cook County, Illinois. More information about going to court can be found on this website.